Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Monday, October 19th. The cold rain moved in overnight. I've seen most of the heavier rain taper off, but we'll still see a chance for a chilly rain shower or two as we head through the day today. A high of 50. Rain showers still possible early tonight, tapering off as we head into the morning hours tomorrow. A low of 41 tonight. 61 with some sunshine between the clouds tomorrow afternoon. We'll start off with a look at the satellite picture, and we have got an active jet stream dipping in across the midsection of the country and then racing on across. We're tapping into the Gulf of moisture, and that's what's helping us kick off showers and storms along that frontal boundary across the Ohio River Valley from parts of Ohio back into the Ozarks, and then trailing showers, even some snow flurries across parts of the northern plains as we get started this week. Some cold air moving into the midsection of the country. It's along that frontal boundary that we'll see waves of showers and storms as we head through the rest of the week. Now here's a closer look at the radar across central Illinois, and again, much of the heavier rain showers moving on into Indiana today. We're still going to see that chance for a couple of light showers redeveloping, though, back behind that front across central Illinois as we head through the day today. Now here's that temperature boundary. We're looking at temperatures right now in the 30s and 40s across central Illinois. Yesterday we were tapping into the lower 60s. Well, that is now moved well off to the Ohio River Valley. And again, here's that cold air moving in across the northern plains. And it's along that meandering frontal boundary as it kind of moves north and south across the region here over the next 3 to 5 days that we're going to see waves of showers and storms developing along that every couple of days here across the region. Again, here's the jet stream setup. We've got a big ridge in the Gulf of Alaska, a big trough here across the central U.S., and another big ridge across the northeast and the North Atlantic. We've got storm systems that are riding this jet stream from the Pacific Northwest and then lifting over the Rockies, ejecting into the central plains. And again, we've got that meandering temperature boundary, meandering frontal boundary across the midsection of the country with the upper level support, the very strong jet stream winds. That's what gives us the chance for multiple rounds of showers and storms across the Midwest. Now, the pattern over the last 4 to 6 weeks has been very quiet, very dry, and the reason for that has been, most of our source region of our air mass has been driving out of the Canadian prairie. We've been seeing reinforcing shots of cool, dry air, and I've been telling you guys, these big fronts as they swept out of the Gulf of Mexico, taking the deeper moisture along with them. It's really kept a lid on heavier precipitation events across the central part of the country. That's not the story anymore, though. We've got a ridge, an area of high pressure across the southeast with clockwise flow around that, pumping moisture into the midsection of the country. We've got our jet stream doing something like that with very strong flow across the midsection of the U.S. So again, we're bringing in Gulf moisture. We've got an active jet stream. We've got storm systems traversing through the region, finally tapping into some moisture instead of just colliding with, reinforcing shots of cool, dry air. So as we go through the next 3 to 5 days, multiple chances for showers and even some thunderstorms across the region. As we head through the day today, it's really just a chance for some of those very light, misty, gloomy, cool showers across the region. We'll see those taper off as we head into the overnight and then enjoy a mostly dry Tuesday. As we head late into the day Tuesday evening, early into Tuesday night, we could see the chance for additional showers and storms developing along that frontal boundary. We'll see the same thing on Wednesday, likely going to be dry much of the day, but Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, maybe a few thunderstorms developing along that frontal boundary as it lifts off to our north. We'll then be warm and dry on Thursday with strong southerly winds in the warm sector of the system, with another chance for showers and storms moving in along the front late Friday into Saturday. We can see that here. We'll look a little bit wider picture, a little longer range with the European model. Here is Champaign-Urbana, approximately right there, east central Illinois. Again, the chance for some light showers as we head through the day today, much of that tapering off tonight. A mostly dry Tuesday with a chance for showers and storms redeveloping right here Tuesday evening into Tuesday night. Now, the European model is pretty gung-ho here, delivering an inch or so of rainfall with some thunderstorms but some of our higher resolution guidance not quite so gung-ho with the heavy rain producing widespread nature of those storms. So that's something we'll have to watch here. But after we get to the other side of these light showers today, it's Tuesday night into Wednesday. We see our next chance for showers and storms in the region as that warm front lifts back through the area. We see another storm system developing here Thursday into Friday. That's going to drag a cold front through central Illinois during the day on Friday. We could see a line of showers and storms accompanying that one as well. So as we look at the forecast here for total precipitation, we've got corridors of heavier rainfall where we see those bands of thunderstorms setting up. Looks like anywhere between a half an inch and an inch and a half here between now and Friday, but some locally heavier amounts possible. Here's a wider look, again off to the north, potentially seeing our first snow of the season. But as we talk about the mid-Mississippi Valley, anywhere from the Great Lakes down to the Ohio River Valley, corridors of rain here with 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible, or total precipitation, I should say, because again, some of that off to the north, falling as our first accumulating snow across the northern plains into the Great Lakes. We are changing seasons, and it looks like we're getting off to an early start to some of this cold, wintry precipitation. So here's our frontal boundary meandering back and forth as we head through the next week or so. As we get started here, we're off to a cooler start in central Illinois with that cold front moving through overnight. We will see things warming up, though, as we head into the later part of the week. Again, as we get into the warm sector of this system, temperatures 15 to 20 degrees warmer than average on Friday. Expecting a cold front to slide through, though, and cool us down as we head into the weekend. So here's what this bumpy ride looks like in our 5-day forecast here just for Champaign-Urbana. Again, cool and drizzly today, a high of 50 degrees, a chance for scattered storms late in the day tomorrow, high of 61. Same thing on Wednesday, just looking at isolated to scattered showers and storms across the region, a little warmer, 67 for the high. The warm front lifts north of our area Thursday, bringing drier conditions and warmer conditions, windy with a high near 80. And then Friday, we see that front slide through again, a chance for a line of thunderstorms moving through that'll cool us down as we head into the weekend.